Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to change the print settings only at certain places of a component. The component has already been imported into Cura and the print settings are preset on the right. The material is black nylon extruded with the Ultimaker print core AA0.4. Special attention should be paid on the layer height, the infill density at 50%, the printing and printing bed temperature, as well as the printing speed and the speed of the fan. In order to select a place in the part that should get a different infill density in this example, the part is first activated and then the support blocker function in the icon bar on the left is used. After clicking on the component again, a block appears. By clicking on the page and then clicking on the block again, only this block is active and can be adjusted with the scale button. In this case, you must make sure that the arrow is removed from the uniform scaling button, otherwise the block will change proportionally. Since the block is now still hanging somewhere in the air, it must be placed in the correct position using the move function. Afterwards, the function mesh type, which is also located on the left side directly above the support blocker, is to be used. Here you can also set whether the block should be printed as a support, for example. In our case, we select Modify Settings for infill of other models. After clicking on Select Settings, the settings for printing will appear. Under Show all settings can be found. In this case, we only want to change the infill density to 100%. Let's prepare this. Now you have seen that not only the infill density can be changed, but all print settings can be adjusted to this block in the part. After the part has been prepared, you can see the difference clearly in the layer view.